Jotno lamshogo lecture number 3 wo tini chung tekicha discuss khailaeno tekicha shrunglaeno verb no inke abono bahake chung apply khaima nai English shapuru obo shrunglaeno verb tamo ang bagino explain khaijak lecture number 2 wo verb mane samung work samung sana thangke masha borok ongthuk জীবজন্তু ongthuk পশুপান ongthuk যতন work khayo hinke chung obono chikon khai first shrunglayano masha borok din kaisao one day o tamu khai basic abono just nailayano hinke abono bahake kok sabro use khena na English o bachung shrunglayano tini okay so just chongdi phungni simi horjora masha borok tamu khai fungo chung bachao brush khayo washroom thango tuku breakfast chao newspaper rong poribo boi rong poribo dress rong chumo inke office ni bagai ready ongui office thango kebo gari kai thango kebo bike chalogi thango nijini gari kai thango inke office rong thangi sogiyo school sogiyo inke dibor rong samu rong tango lunch rong chao meeting attend khayo sharik rong tise nogo ki fili phayo dress rong chumo khela thungo market thango maimui songo dinner chao thuo te imang nugo right so obo masha borok ni daily life ni basic samung je o ongui tongmani sal din kaisabo abo jotto verb ni category no klayo o verb no ang o verb ni simi kaisa randomly kaisa verb no je kono kaisa verb no ang tisauno let's pick up tuku o tuku mani no ang tabuk abo kaisa samung tabuk obono bahake ang kok safar use khai nai first kok borok bai srungna nang nai kok borok bai man kaise no English bai bo formula use khai easily grammatically correct way no English hai manai so o tuku mani no ang o verb no use khayo no tabuk chini agini format first lecture chung discuss khaile mani time ni tinta part tongo 3 parts tongo present tongo past tongo future tongo abo norong part 3 o lecture number 3 o video tabuk nai tongke bakang ni video naya ke kisi sa confusion nong nai so ang norong request khayanu lecture number 1 nai faidi 2 nai faidi ge 3 nai faidi abo inge tabuk ang lecture number 3 o abo discuss khai tongo so ang samung mane verb right samung bo samung no ang pik khai ka ang just o asuk samung ni bisingo just tukuo o samung no ang use khayo no tabuk grammatically back use khaimene nai di o tukuo ba tukumani no tukumani obo o verb o samung no baike o tense mane again no discuss khaijak tense mane time ta और बाइके sentence no form खाइना नांगनाय abo from no tabuk all right tabuk tukumani no English baita mosha bathe right bathe bathe kok borok bai first sadi o word no tukumani word no past past baki use khainai, present baki use khainai, future baki use khainai. Ang kaisa chikon sa kaisa example ribono. Tabuk chong di nung fungo basa dorop fungo tongo tabuk fungo tongke tabuk nung tukui tongo ini sanani ang tukui tongo nono kebor hinka nung tamu khai tong okay nung sanai ang tukui tongo. So English by sanai ke I am bathing ok ang tukui tongo bo tense o tense ni 3 part tongo bo boro thang klainai present klainai ang tukui tongo right samung o samung bo boro klaika oro ang tukui tongo right ang tukui tongo sorry ang tukui tongo no o tukumani no past tense te se use khaidi tabu chong di nong office thangka office tangi shogika di porjora afternoon ninga oro fai nung ni colleague by ni friend by discuss khai tongo ang tini late khai tuku kha ang usually 7 ta tuku tini ang 8 ta tuku kha ang 8 ta tuku kha mane o samung already ongi pai kha ang tini late tuku kha right past tense tuku kha present shaka ang tukui tongo and ang ani colleague by no di borono ba sharigo kok sapuru shaka khana ang dakte tuku unu tuku yakho but tuku unu ang khana dakti tukunai right tabuk o example tamu girika obojoto samung right jung tabuk samung ni kok discuss khailei tongo je phungni simi horjora salsa ni kok simi sai tongo tamo samung khai adi haino je washroom thangmani bachamani brush khaimani maijamani office thangmani abo daily on chung khayo but chung o samung rong no bahike o tense ni bo tinta part ni bo box thangui habnai abo chung first mind abo fatke phaina nangnai abo phaike chung first kok borok by aboni category ramna nangnai past day present day future day then chung english ni formula use khai abono english e convert khai khibno first I can sherngna nangnai practice khaite then take kok borok by convert khaina nanglia then no english by no convert khai manchina directly so english by tabuk abono shalai no tabuk english by shana hinke tukumani english hinke bathe 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 to bo ang english by shana hinke rule tapun ang formula riya ko bas just apuna translate khai tongo ang tukui tongo abo shana hinke ang I nilogi present tense always am asugo I am bathing right present tense bathing I am bathing ke past tense tamong nai ang tini late tuku kha nadi only o verb ni shaka focus khaidi oboshimi change hogi tomai right I aro bathing shumani aro nai I bathed I bathed late today I bathed late today ed nangi thangka right future onke angkhana dakti tukunai I will bathe early early tomorrow, right? Ang abo bahai ke shuika o formula ang narong next video riwonu, but abo otike shina bagoi fatke jung first sentence ni category shina nang nai abo present category o de past category o de na future. So first kok borok by nung abo no bo box danai present ni box do danai past ni box do danai na future ni box do danai abo chaimana nang nai nini verb nini samung buhuru khaijak kha oboni sakao base khaise o box nung dana nang nai. Take this example nagana dress chumani na, right? Like school thanan sikang chung dress chumo example ri tong ang dress chumui tong mani aro chumui tong mani inke aro verb, okay? Je kono chumano dress umano je chumani manita so ang dress chumui tong inke abo present tense ong chinai ang dress chumui paikha inke abo past ong chinai ang dress chumnai inke abo future adikhe nini o verb je phone chimi hor jara je nung samung khai mani obono categorize khai di mane present o baki use khai nai future o baki use khai nai past o baki use khai nai obono alga khai na shrung dia gi sikang next video ang formula riwonu o formula ni sakao base khai chung obono kaham ke shrung layeno. Thank you.